One more important point about the Tola'im and the Shratzim before we discuss the practical implications of all of this. A worm, which is a complete worm, Eina b'teila afilu be'elef. Bitul, the kind of erasing of its existence in a mixture. We know that if there's a mixture and there's 60-1 of kosher against treif, that somehow the whole mixture is considered to be kosher. But that's not true with a tola'at shlema, the sheretz, with a little animal that you could see is or exists in the mixture in the way that it was created. And this may even be true about part of the body of a worm. The only time bitul applies is if the culprit, the worm or the sheretz, has been totally mashed into the mixture and there's no way of identifying it and recovering it. It's impossible. It's impossible to find the worm or to find the sheretz. Then the laws of bitul apply, right? The words of bitul apply. So that it's important to remember that any worm that you find or any little animal that you might find in the food that is being prepared is likely to be a barrier. And since it's likely to be a barrier, we have to remember that we're talking about isurim deoraita, that the mixture, the fact that, somehow in the mixture in the soup, you can't really see it right now, nevertheless, it's in there, and eating it constitutes a halachic transgression of a very serious nature. So that it's important for us to check to make sure that these animals, that these small animals don't exist anywhere in the food that we are about to eat. Because if we eat the food and with the food we eat the little animal that is a barrier, we've gotten ourselves into a bad situation.